going to be looking at drawing our linear equations onto our graphs. What we need to know this. Y equals mx plus c. Y is just your y coordinate. M is your gradient. X is your x coordinate. And the c is your y intercept. What's important to know is the gradient is how steep your line is, and the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So having a look at my turn, I have y equals 3x plus 1. My gradient, therefore, is the number in front of my x, which is my gradient, which is 3. And the plus 1 is my y-intercept. First thing we're going to be doing is using our y-intercept. So in this case, it's plus 1. On my y-axis, so this axis, I'm going to put a dot at my 1, which is here. The next thing I'm going to do is use my gradient to let me know how far up I need to go. But I can't just go straight up. What I need to do first is I always need to go 1 to the right. So I start here, I go 1 to the right, and I go up by my gradient, which is 3. So 1, 2, 3. Do the same again. But start from your new point. So 1 to the right, up by 3. 1, 2, 3. When you've got your dots or your crosses, you can just join them up with a ruler. It's important to make sure that you don't just join the 3 dots up. You need to continue your line on as much as you can. Have a go at your turn for me, please. So for your turn, your gradient is 4, and your y-intercept is plus 2. So to plot this, we're going to start on the y-axis at plus 2. So there's the y-axis, there's 2. And I'm going to go right 1, and I'm going to go up by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Join them all up. And that is what yours should look like. Just as a little bit of a side note, if you have y equals minus 2x plus 1, it's going to be slightly different. Your gradient this time is minus 2. So you've got a negative gradient, but your intercept is plus 1. So this means we're going to start at plus 1, which is here. We still go to the right one, but instead of going up, because we've got a minus, we actually end up going down. So we go right 1, 2 down, right 1, 2 down, right 1, 2 down. So it's going to change the direction of our line. So in this case, it would look like that. So this one is your y equals 4x plus 2. This one is y equals minus 2x plus 1. So if you've got a negative gradient, your line's going to go down. If you've got a positive gradient, your line's going to go up. Don't let that catch you out.